Mary, we have a problem. The guest in room 13 is at the front desk. He says he saw a ghost last night.
A ghost? Really?
Yes, he says the lights turned on and off and he heard a strange noise.
Okay, let me check the system. Room 13. Yes, there is a note here. That room has an electrical problem.
An electrical problem?
Yes, the lights do that sometimes. Maintenance knows about it.
Oh, so no ghost.
No ghost, just old wiring.
Good, but the guest is very upset. He wants to change rooms.
Of course. Move him to room 21. It is clean and readied.
Perfect. And should I give him a discount?
Yes, give him 20% off tonight and apologize for the problem.
Okay, I will talk to him now.
Tell him we are sorry and that room 21 is much better.
I will. Thank you, Mary.
No problem. That is our job.